Welcome to Well's Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am here with biryani masala powder. So most of us we love to make biryani, and yes, you can get it in the general stores and all, but I thought that like we do regularly cook biryani, so why not make this biryani masala powder at home. And the ingredients are very simple, only the procedure you have to follow. So let's start with first thing what we need for our roasting. Okay, dry roasting on slow fire. So first thing what you need is 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds. Kindly note, okay? 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1.5 tablespoon. Now this is also tablespoon. This is 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1.5 tablespoon of saunf. That is we call it as saunf, a sabut saunf. Okay. Then we need around 3 big tablespoons of cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of shahi jeera. Okay, shahi jeera is called caraway seeds. It's like a cumin only. So 3 tablespoons of cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of shahi jeera. Then we need 15 numbers of big elaichi, that is black big elaichi, that is cardamoms. Then we need around 2 tablespoons of cinnamon stick. Then we need around 1.5 of this star anise, which is also called as dagarful. Then we need 1 tablespoon of cloves, and we need around 2 tablespoons of peppercorns. I have taken a few dry Kashmiri chilies, that is 3, and I have taken around 4 normal chilies what you get in the market. This is optional because we are going to use powder also. So this is optional, but you can use it, will give you extra flavor. Okay, hope everything is clear over here. So you want me to repeat? I will repeat it again. So it is 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1.5 tablespoon of saunf, that is fennel seeds, then 3 tablespoon of normal cumin seed, that is jeera, 1 tablespoon of shahi jeera, that is like called caraway seeds, then 2 tablespoon of peppercorns, 2 tablespoon of peppercorn, 1 tablespoon of cloves. This is 1.5 of star anise, that is dagarful. Then we need this 2 tablespoons of cinnamon stick, around 15 numbers of black elaichi, that is black big cardamoms. So this is all will go for roasting. And here are some 3 Kashmiri chilies, which is optional, and 3 this chilies are optional. So this we have to roast here on slow fire. Okay, this is for roasting. Now after this roasting, I will show you the next procedure. What we need ingredients are, this is without roasting. Okay, so now, but we have to grind it later separately. So this is 1 nutmeg. Okay, and this is nut mace, that is around 5 of this. Okay, so this is also nut mace, but this is like 5 of this. This is that outer covering. With outer covering we need 1 nutmeg. Then we need around 2 tablespoons of green cardamoms and around 10 to 15 of bay leaves. So this, no need of roasting this, but we have to grind this separately. Then after this all, we will be adding our 2 big tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Okay. So now we will add this all on this and we will roast it on slow fire. Please note, you have to roast all this on slow fire till you get around like 5 to 6 minutes, till you get a nice aroma. And roast this on slow fire for 7 to 8 minutes. You will get an aroma. We don't want to burn this, we want to roast this. I've broken the nutmeg. And after this, you have to see that it is cooled down to room temperature, and then we will grind it. You will get a nice aroma out of this when it is getting roasted. So now this is around 5 minutes and I'm getting a nice aroma. Okay, so my masalas are all roasted. So now I will put off the gas and we'll wait till it comes to room temperature. Okay, then we will grind it in a drier mixer which you have in a dry blade. So here it goes. So now let's put in our grinder, dry grinder. and we will grind this. So let's start. We'll check. So it's we need little bit more. Wow, the smell is so, aroma is very, very nice. So we'll give again one this. Done. Okay, so this is done. So I have transferred this in a dry vessel over here because I want to grind now this one. So we will add this. And our so we will grind this now. And here I'll give another one more this. No, it's all nicely done, so I don't need more. Okay. So now I will mix this in this. So mix this all together. And now this is the time where we are going to add our Kashmiri red chili powder and turmeric powder in this. So let's go. And mix this all nicely. If you can see the color, so here it is, my homemade biryani masala is ready to use. So if you want to make more and keep, then yes, so you double the quantity whatever I have given you and make and store it. Okay, this I think so around 5 times I can make this biryani, chicken biryani, mutton biryani, any biryanis. thank you so much for watching me, and thank you. Love you all, my friends who are here in India and also in Europe and UK. Thank you.